Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the world's most advanced computers can no longer operate, not because of a cyber attack, not because of a power outage, but because a colorless gas has run out. It sounds impossible. Yet behind the race for artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and next-generation semiconductors lies a hidden dependency that few people ever think about. A gas so rare that once it escapes into the atmosphere, it is effectively lost forever. That gas is helium. Most people know helium for one reason: balloons, birthday parties, floating decorations. But the reality is far more surprising. Helium has become one of the most strategically important resources on Earth, and its importance is growing every year. In the 21st century, technological power increasingly determines economic power. Nations compete to build faster AI systems, more advanced semiconductor factories, and revolutionary quantum computers. The winners of this race may dominate industries worth trillions of dollars. Yet all of these ambitions depend on materials and resources that are often invisible to the public. Among those resources, helium occupies a unique position. Unlike oil, coal, or natural gas, helium cannot simply be manufactured at industrial scale. It forms underground over millions of years through the radioactive decay of elements deep within Earth's crust. When released into the atmosphere, helium is so light that it eventually escapes Earth's gravity and drifts into space forever. This means every lost molecule is essentially gone for good. That reality transforms helium from a simple industrial gas into a finite strategic resource. Humanity is consuming a substance that nature replaces on geological timescales rather than human timescales. The importance of helium begins with temperature. Specifically, extremely low temperatures. Helium remains liquid at temperatures where almost every other substance freezes solid. This unique property makes it indispensable for cooling systems that operate near absolute zero. And nowhere is that more important than in quantum computing. Quantum computers promise to solve problems that conventional computers would require thousands or even millions of years to complete. Researchers believe they could revolutionize medicine, discover new materials, optimize global logistics networks, and potentially transform artificial intelligence itself. But quantum computing faces a major challenge. Quantum bits, known as qubits, are extraordinarily fragile. Heat, vibration, electromagnetic interference, and even tiny environmental fluctuations can destroy the quantum states required for computation. To protect those states, many leading quantum computers operate at temperatures colder than deep space. Their processors are cooled to mere fractions of a degree above absolute zero. Without liquid helium, those temperatures cannot be maintained. In practical terms, some of humanity's most advanced machines depend on one of humanity's rarest resources. The future of computing rests on a supply chain few people have ever examined. Yet quantum computing is only part of the story. The modern semiconductor industry also relies heavily on helium. Advanced chip fabrication uses helium for cooling, leak detection, contamination control, and critical manufacturing processes. Every smartphone processor, AI accelerator, graphics card, and data center chip ultimately depends on infrastructure that consumes helium. This creates a remarkable chain of dependency. Artificial intelligence depends on advanced semiconductors. Advanced semiconductors depend on helium. Therefore, a disruption in helium supply can ripple across the entire digital economy. The geopolitical implications are enormous. Unlike many commodities, helium production is concentrated in only a handful of locations around the world. Significant supplies come from the United States, Qatar, Algeria, and Russia. A relatively small number of extraction and processing facilities therefore influence a resource essential to multiple strategic industries. This concentration creates vulnerability. Whenever geopolitical tensions affect one of these regions, the consequences extend far beyond energy markets. They can reach research laboratories, chip factories, hospitals, aerospace programs, and quantum computing centers around the world. Recent disruptions in the Persian Gulf demonstrated exactly how fragile the market can be. When production interruptions affected major facilities in Qatar, a substantial portion of global helium supply suddenly disappeared. Industries dependent on continuous access began evaluating emergency responses, alternative suppliers, and inventory reserves. The lesson was clear. Helium shortages are not theoretical risks. They can emerge rapidly and affect critical technologies almost immediately. For governments, this realization has changed how helium is viewed. What was once considered a specialty industrial gas is increasingly treated as a strategic resource linked to national competitiveness and technological sovereignty. Countries investing heavily in AI and quantum technologies now face an uncomfortable reality. Owning the most talented engineers or the most advanced algorithms may not be enough. Physical access to critical resources remains essential. As a result, nations and corporations have begun searching aggressively for new helium reserves. Exploration projects are expanding across North America, Africa, and Central Asia. Investors who once ignored the helium sector are now examining its long-term potential. At the same time, researchers are pursuing methods to recycle helium more efficiently. Laboratories and industrial facilities increasingly capture and reuse helium rather than venting it into the atmosphere. Every recovered unit represents future supply preserved. Yet recycling alone may not solve the problem. Demand continues to grow. Quantum computing requires more sophisticated cooling infrastructure. Semiconductor manufacturing expands each year. Scientific research facilities continue consuming significant volumes. Aerospace and medical sectors remain dependent on reliable supplies. This creates a powerful imbalance. Demand is rising because humanity's technological ambitions are accelerating. Supply remains constrained because helium is rare, geographically concentrated, and fundamentally non-renewable on meaningful human timescales. History shows that strategic resources often reshape international politics. Coal powered the Industrial Revolution. Oil defined much of the 20th century. Rare earth elements became essential to modern electronics. Helium may become the next chapter in that story. The irony is difficult to ignore. Humanity is developing technologies capable of reshaping civilization. Artificial intelligence may transform entire industries. Quantum computers may unlock scientific breakthroughs that currently seem impossible. Yet those revolutionary achievements may depend on a resource that most people encounter only at celebrations and parties. Invisible, odorless, colorless. A gas so light it escapes into space, and yet powerful enough to influence the future balance of technological power. The race for quantum supremacy is often portrayed as a contest of algorithms, engineering, and investment. But beneath the headlines lies a simpler reality. Every technological revolution ultimately depends on physical resources. And in the case of quantum computing, one of the most important resources on Earth may also be one of the easiest to overlook. The future of computing may not be determined solely by who builds the smartest machines. It may be determined by who secures access to the rare gas that keeps those machines alive. Because in the coming decades, helium may prove that the most valuable strategic assets are not always visible, and sometimes the fate of entire industries can depend on something floating silently above our heads.